the search revolution. Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Steak Chill. Today we're exploring SN22 Desearch, the decentralized AI search engine powering real-time queries across X, Reddit, and the web. With a $3.73 million market cap, 81.29% staking APY, and 11 million plus queries processed, Desearch is the unbiased alternative to Google, built for AI agents and humans alike. Let's uncover this Bittensor gem revolutionizing search. Biased search silos. Centralized search engines like Google are $200 billion silos plagued by bias, stale data, and ad-driven results. Users get manipulated feeds, developers hit API walls, and AI agents starve for real-time, unbiased insights. For decentralized AI to thrive, it needs a trustless search backbone that delivers live, verifiable data without censorship or paywalls. Desearch SN22 approach. Desearch SN22 builds a decentralized search layer on Bittensor. Miners retrieve real-time data from X, Reddit, Arxiv, and web sources. Validators score responses for relevance and accuracy. It's the API for AI agents unified. Low latency access with AI summarization, sentiment analysis, and citations. No more biased black boxes, just pure, on-demand intelligence. Problem: the rigged search engine. Imagine search like a rigged casino. Google deals biased cards, stale results hide the truth, and ads manipulate your bets. You search for facts but get sponsored noise. Developers pay fortunes for limited APIs, and AI agents get outdated intel. It's a controlled game where big tech always wins, leaving everyone else guessing. Solution: the open query marketplace. Desearch turns that casino into an open marketplace. Anyone queries live data from X or web stalls. The network verifies and summarizes with AI, ensuring fresh, unbiased goods. Pay via API, earn as a miner. It's search democracy. Transparent, real-time, and powered by Bittensor for all agents and humans. Biased search impacts. Picture your daily search like a sneaky tour guide who's paid to steer you wrong. Biased engines like Google prioritize sponsored results or echo chambers, feeding you skewed info that reinforces opinions rather than facts. Think manipulated news leading to bad decisions, like voting based on fake headlines or buying overhyped products. For everyday users, this erodes trust, wastes time on irrelevant junk, and creates division by hiding diverse views. Small businesses get buried, consumers overpay, and society suffers from misinformation bubbles. It's not just annoying, it's harmful to fair knowledge access. Unbiased AI search, SN22 Desearch. An unbiased AI search engine like Desearch flips the script to a honest librarian who serves everyone equally. It pulls real-time, diverse data without ads or agendas, delivering balanced results with context and sources, empowering users to make informed choices, like getting all sides of a story or finding the best deals fairly. This solves impacts by restoring trust, saving time with relevant answers, and promoting unity through transparency. Businesses compete on merit, consumers get value, and society benefits from equitable knowledge, turning search from a manipulator into a true ally for discovery. How it works: real-time queries. Send queries via APIs specifying tools, Twitter, web, and models, Nova. Miners fetch live data. Validators score for embedding similarity and relevance. AI summarizes with citations and metadata. Date filters like past 24 hours ensure freshness. It's decentralized retrieval meets intelligent processing. Technical deep dive. Core tech. Bittensor validators ensure 72% plus embedding accuracy and 80% plus link relevance. SDKs for Python.js, integrations with Llama Index and N8N. Playground for testing, console for monitoring. outscores centralized rivals by 20% in depth, hallucination-free search for agents. Achievements and roadmap. Desearch has smashed benchmarks. 11 million plus queries processed, outperforming Gemini and Perplexity in relevance. 92.57% text, 80.46% links. Trusted by 500 plus AI builders, reducing dev time by 40%. Integrations with LangChain, Crew AI, and more. Roadmap, expand sources, Hacker News, more. Open source tools, and full agent autonomy in 2026. Desearch versus Google. Desearch crushes Google. Real-time unbiased results versus ad-biased stale data. 92% relevance beats Perplexity. Decentralized avoids censorship. For agents, it's production-ready with high limits, 40% faster dev cycles. The edge, live sentiment from X/Reddit, no black boxes. AI search versus web search. Desearch masterfully bridges the gap between traditional web search and advanced AI search. Web search delivers raw links and documents, great for broad retrieval. But AI search goes further. It understands user intent, ranks for relevance, and returns synthesized, decision-ready results with context and insights. For builders crafting agents or apps, this distinction is game-changing. Desearch's dual APIs provide flexibility. Fetch raw data or get intelligent summaries. Search evolves from mere retrieval to core infrastructure, powering the next wave of AI-driven tools without hallucinations or bias. Economics at 84% APY, undervalued alpha, 3.73 million MC, 86 cents token, 81.29% APY. Tau emissions reward miners for quality data. API credits drive demand. In a $200 billion search market, Desearch targets 1% for 500x MC. Stake now for asymmetric yields in Bittensor's search backbone. Returns and future prediction. Let's crunch the numbers for the true beasts among us. At current rates, staking just 5 tau in Desearch yields approximately 0.35 tau in monthly rewards, pure, compounding alpha from real network emissions. Now fast forward to the bull case. If Desearch achieves a 500x market cap explosion to $1.86 billion, a realistic target as it captures the trillion-dollar search sector, your monthly rewards alone could skyrocket to over $3,500, especially with tau climbing to $5,000 per token. Desearch's API credit system acts as a powerful sink, converting emissions directly into sustainable revenue streams. This isn't gambling, it's calculated sovereignty. Don't just buy tau, stake it, and let the query revolution compound your wealth. The beast bull case. Picture the search industry ballooning into trillions as AI agents demand unbiased, real-time data at unprecedented scales. Desearch, positioned as Bittensor's decentralized query powerhouse, needs only a 1% market capture to propel its market cap to $2 billion, a staggering 500x multiplier from today's undervalued position. With the parent tau token targeting $5,000 amid Bittensor's broader ecosystem boom, SN22 becomes the indispensable fuel igniting this intelligence explosion. Imagine unbiased results from live sources like X and Reddit, agent-optimized summaries, and verifiable citations, all decentralized and hallucination-free. This isn't mere speculation. It's the foundational layer for the global AI query revolution, where Desearch empowers agents to outthink centralized giants and unlock infinite knowledge horizons. The bear case. Reality check. But let's ground ourselves with a dose of skepticism. The bear case looms large. Fierce competition from entrenched centralized APIs like Google or emerging Bittensor subnets such as Nuance could erode Desearch's liquidity and market share, drawing away miners and users with superior integrations or lower costs. If query validation mechanisms lag behind demand, resulting in slower response times or diminished relevance scores, adoption could stall entirely, turning this promising network into a ghost town of unused APIs. This is high-stakes infrastructure in a rapidly evolving space. If developer uptake falters or real-time data sources become restricted, the entire search ecosystem dries up, leaving stakers with diminishing returns. Always monitor key metrics like query volume and miner activity. In crypto, vigilance is your best defense against the bears. The team. Search visionaries. At the helm of Desearch stands founder Giga Chikvadze, known on X as @CosmicDesearch, a true Bittensor pioneer with a track record of pushing decentralized boundaries through innovative integrations and benchmarks. Backed by a lean, focused team dedicated to seamless API tools and ecosystem expansions, they operate without the bloat of traditional VC funding. Instead, Desearch draws immense institutional gravity from Bittensor's overarching $200 million war chest, fueled by heavyweights like Polychain Capital, Digital Currency Group, DCG, and Pantera Capital. This isn't a fly-by-night operation. It's a visionary collective architecting the unbiased search infrastructure that will empower the next generation of AI agents and human query masters alike. Partnership. SN22 x SN70. Desearch just announced a game-changing partnership with Veracor SN70, fusing discovery with verification in Bittensor's ecosystem. Desearch's real-time search API empowers Veracor to pull credibility signals from X and Reddit, enhancing miner output verification and AI scoring for predictive evidence gathering. In return, Veracor's services integrate directly into the Desearch console, expanding builder tools for signal validation. This two-way synergy creates a feedback loop. Miners add richer context via Desearch, while Veracor boosts comprehensive results. It's discovery meeting verification, unlocking more robust agent-ready intelligence across the network. Production-ready. Live queries. Is Desearch battle-tested and production-ready? Absolutely. Live and thriving since 2025. It has already processed over 11 million queries, demonstrating rock-solid reliability in real-world scenarios. Seamless integrations with more than 10 leading frameworks, including LangChain, CrewAI, and Llama Index, make it a plug-and-play powerhouse for developers. Revenue streams in via API credits, sustaining a growing ecosystem of clients, from independent AI builders to collaborative subnets like Nuance. At its core, Desearch powers true agent autonomy, transmuting raw data from diverse sources into actionable intelligence. Hallucination-free summaries, sentiment insights, and verifiable citations that fuel the Bittensor machine. The Search Alpha. In wrapping up this deep dive, Desearch SN22 emerges as the undisputed decentralized search powerhouse, delivering real-time, unbiased, and agent-optimized intelligence that centralized engines can only dream of matching. With an eye-watering 81.29% staking APY, backed by genuine network demand and a path to trillion-dollar market disruption, this is your invitation to stake in the query revolution before it goes parabolic. From shattering search silos to fueling Bittensor's intelligence boom, Desearch unlocks alpha at every turn. Remember the buy, stake, chill mantra. Invest in the foundations that power tomorrow. Stake smart, query boldly, and let's ride this wave. Thank you for joining this Search Alpha journey. This is not financial advice. Always perform your own research, DYOR, diligently. Invest only what you can afford to lose. But recognize that in the dawning era of decentralized AI, missing out on innovations like unbiased search could be the ultimate opportunity cost. Like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill for more cutting-edge subnet breakdowns. The new age slogan will be, don't wait to buy Tau. Buy Tau and wait.